and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Eden, the Eden Project. This one is called Modern Warfare. So it's a chord progression that goes through the entire song, and you can experiment a little bit with it and play around, fun around, like I would say. So yeah, I will give you the basics here. We need to have our capo on the second fret to have the best possible and easiest chords ever for this song. All right, so capo on second, and we will look at the chords. The E minor, okay, so that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and we will throw in third E. So open E and third E in the end here for this specific song, and that is the E minor. Next chord will be C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be D major 7. Pretty easy to take that one. So you just put a bar here on the second fret from the G string and down. And that gives you open D, and then second G, second B, and second E. And the final chord will be B minor 7, like that. So it's second on A string, open D, second on G, third B, and open E. All right, so that is the chord progression through the entire song. E minor to C to D to B minor 7. All right, so how do we handle this? I'm gonna give you one basic strumming pattern that will work for this song, and it goes a little bit off this sometimes. When you listen to the song, the beat comes a little bit later, and sometimes it comes before, but main thing here will be this what I'm going to show you right now. So we're gonna have the E minor as the first chord, and you will play like this. Okay, so that is down and a short break, down, clap, and then comes down, up, down, clap. Okay, so down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap. And then you shift and do the same one round for all these chords. C, you can play in many different ways, but anyway, that is the rhythm. Now you could also play with pickings like this. Oh, sorry, like that. I prefer to play pick sometimes when I want to have more control over it. So that means the first down or so I like for this song to really pick this one, and then strum the rest. I don't know, I just feel more comfortable with that for this song, and it's up to you. It's just a matter of taste there. But that is pretty much what goes on in this cool song from Eden called Modern Warfare. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon. I don't see that much of you if you not interact with me, so leave a comment and that is great when I read that, I hope. So see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.